I saw the sphere and I was like, I want to learn how to make that. So after a few Photoshop videos, there's a few that I saw that are like a little bit longer and like very detailed, and I was like, oh, that's really cool. But I'm the type, I'm just like, I just want to like just get it done in like 2 minutes. So I'm going to show you how I made the sphere very quickly. All right, so here is the image that I found on Pexels, and then I will link this. And so what I did was Command L, and then I just lightened it up a little bit, like just added some contrast. So you see on the levels here, just a tiny bit. All right, then I'm gonna go get my circle, holding down Shift. Just going to align this in the middle. It's aligned. From here, I'm going to make a copy and put that on top. We're going to go to Filter, Distort, Spherize, put 100, Normal, and then I just hit OK. And then I'm going to bring my circle back on top, holding Shift. I'm going to bring each corner in to the circle. All right, and then clicking the sphere on top, I'm gonna hold Option. Just kidding, we gotta put the picture back on top. Hold Option so that that'll go in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just merge these layers together. I'm gonna add another layer on top, and this is just like to add just like some shadows and stuff. So I'm gonna get the brush tool, and let's see, hardness is 0. I'm gonna bring my brush up just a tiny bit, and then let's change it to black. Okay, I probably didn't need that. All right, and from here, same thing, Option. And then I am going to let's see. You can do soft light and then just bring the opacity down a little bit. And just gives it that little bit of a glow. I'm gonna go to the bottom layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Yeah, I'll just make it 3.7 pixels is what I did here. And then I'm gonna add another layer at the bottom and just put like a little shadow. That's too big, let's bring this down. I'm kind of like trying to curve it just a tiny bit at the ends. And then this time I'm going to do multiply. And just bring the opacity down, say to 40, I guess. You can play around with whatever you feel it should be. And there we go. Then I just select all of them, right click, merge layers. And so now you can kind of like move this around wherever you want it. And that's how I did it. It was a lot of fun. It was really cool to do. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.